The second thing that you have to pay attention to is the overlays, which is very important. And in there, you can look up heritage and build form. So that can be applying for every architecture's projects, that you can check the heritage overlay of the site. As you can see, the design and development overlay will be the crosshatch, and you can turn all the other stuff on. Now we see another thing is the heritage overlays appear in our campus. By doing this, you can make decisions and integrate into your proposals which buildings you have to keep facades and follow some constraints of the heritage learning. Like if you knock down the buildings, you have to keep some part of it, and doing any landscape, you have to reconsider, avoid this part. The other thing is land management. You can turn it on and try if it have any overlays on the interfaces. So in here, we can see it turn all the land management overlay on. There will be the spatial building overlays that appear in here, but then I have to check what that means. You just need to click on the blue area, which is the SBO overlay, and this will appear. All the results come up. This one, the spatial building overlay, you click here. As you can see the overall SBO overlay in the same code. You can look up what it really means in the description. Click here, VPP ordinance. So I can look up and find the problems of the site. It's the flooding management objective and state of risk. So the campus is really near the flood branch, so it's supposed to be the main. So in terms of flood, this is the key findings for the investigation today. Now we check all the other informations, and if you can't find any relevant information, just turn it off to not too much confusing. If you're scrolling down, so you can see the future homes, which is for future speculation. So if you design something for like urban planning or landscape and utopian views, so you can check if there will be like a bunch of homes starting here, and the green and purple spot appear in the interface. Now you can switch to the aerial views, which is easier to identify the locations of the actual future homes in the future in the campus. And the must-have you have to check is the contours, but the contour in VicPlan is quite not too concise, but you can see it as a reference. That's the end of the flood investigation today. Thank you for watching.